What is the syllabus for quantitative ability section of CAT? This is the question that we are going to address in this video. Hi, my name is Amit, and in this video we are going to discuss about the syllabus of CAT exam quantitative ability section. So if you see, QA part consumes the maximum time of your preparation, at least the initial few months will be heavily biased towards quantitative ability, because relatively speaking, compared to other two sections, that is DILR and VA section, QA section will have more number of chapters, more concepts to learn, and therefore it is natural that you will have to spend more time preparing for QA section compared to other sections. If you look at official website of CAT, there is no prescribed syllabus as such. They only say that, no, we are going to test your basic quantitative ability. That's all. So CAT is not even committed to a rigid, a very regimented kind of syllabus. The syllabus is quite open. Anything can be asked, in this section. But, however, having said that, if you look at past 7-8 years of CAT paper, you will realize that there are certain areas from where CAT has asked question. So we can safely say that this is my syllabus for quant section, quantitative ability section, and this is what we are going to address in this video. So let's start. So if you look at CAT syllabus, there are four areas. There are four areas from where questions are asked. So the first area, and which is the, I would say, the chubbiest of the sections, the meaty part, is the arithmetic section. So what do we mean by arithmetic section? Arithmetic consists of your basic mathematics chapters that you have studied from class 6 to maybe class 9th and 10th. What are the chapters here? We will discuss about ratios, percentage, average, time and work, time, speed, distance, these kinds of chapters, average and mixtures, alligations, these concepts. So the concept that you have studied in, from let's say class 6 standard to class 7, 8, 9 standard, that's all. And fortunately, this is the one where CAT has put maximum emphasis on as far as QA section is concerned. So if you look at, let's say, this year's CAT 2020, there were 26 questions asked from in the QA section, and out of that 26 questions, roughly about 10 to 11 questions were from arithmetic. So this is the one which has the maximum weightage in QA section. Okay, followed by the second one, which is algebra. What constitute algebra here? We are talking about linear equation, we are talking about quadratic equation, we are talking about functions and graph, we are talking about sequence and series, maybe logarithm can be included here, inequalities, modulus, these chapters. Okay, so these chapters again is the second in line of topics. So second most important section for or the group of chapter, bunch of chapter for QA section. So you will have roughly about maybe 7 to 8 questions from here. 7 to 8 questions. So algebra is again a major topic, major bunch of topics, which is important. The third one would be geometry and allied topics. Geometry and allied topics. So geometry will consist of angles and lines, theorems and properties related to triangles, circle, quadrilateral, some 3D figures like prism, pyramid, etc. And the allied topics are maybe trigonometry, coordinate geometry, etc. So these are again important as far as CAT is concerned. So you'll have roughly about maybe 4 to 5 questions from here. 4 to 5 questions. And the least important of all, it's not that we have to ignore this, but in these, among these 4 sections, the least important is, I would say, we can call it modern math, and maybe numbers can be included here. So modern maths and numbers. Okay, there was a time when number used to be a very, very important topic in CAT, but nowadays the importance of numbers has diminished drastically. Okay, so if you combine these two, you will have roughly about, I would say, not more than 3 to 4 questions, maximum 3 to 4 questions. So this constitute your QA syllabus as far as CAT is concerned. Okay, as you can see, a lot of people have this impression that CAT is a very difficult exam. The questions are of very high difficulty level. But look at the areas where CAT has put maximum emphasis on. they have put maximum emphasis on arithmetic, which are the chapters that you study in class 6th to 7th and 8th standard maybe. So these are the chapters which are more important for you, and therefore it is not that CAT is a very difficult exam. CAT is a patently crackable exam. It is just that you should have a right preparation strategy, and that is what we are going to address in the next video. How should you prepare for QA section of CAT? We have discussed what is the syllabus of CAT. In the next video, we'll discuss how one should go about preparing about this section. Okay, thank you for watching. Cheers. Best wishes.